women have made their own bank. Each woman saves rupees 25 every month and puts in the bank. First is, how much money does the group collect in each month? That is, in 1 month. So, collection of one woman, that is rupees 25. So, collection of 20 women, that will be rupees 25 into 20, that is rupees 500. So in each month the money that gets collected is rupees 500. Second is, how much money will be collected in 10 years? So money collected in 1 month is equal to rupees 500. So money collected in 1 year, or 1 year has 12 months, so this will be 12 into this 500. So 12 into 5 is 60 and 2 zeros. So that is 6,000 rupees gets collected in 1 year. So money collected in 10 years, so this will be 10 multiplied by 6,000. This is 60,000 rupees. So money that gets collected in 10 years, that is 60,000 rupees.